Some CNN News 18 exclusive breaking for you here on this edition. The political crisis in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir seems to be deepening. PMLN has withdrawn its support from the government in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. PMLN Kashmir will now be sitting in opposition after the recent spate of protests that we saw in POK that were sparked by the POK Awami Action Committee, which has raised questions and concerns on the current government in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. There is a no-confidence motion that will be tabled, is what we're given to understand. A new leader of the House could also be chosen. Akanksha, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Akanksha, what more can you share with us?
Right. So our securities editor Manoj Gupta brings us this information stating that the Prime Minister of Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, of course, as we all know, is Chaudhry Anwar ul Haq, and is an independent member because becomes the Prime Minister with support of a forward bloc, Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, which is the PMLN, and Pakistan People's Party. So we all know that the recent protests of Pakistani occupied Kashmir Awami Action Committee have now raised questions and concerns on the current government in the occupied Kashmir and have demanded the removal of the Prime Minister. Now the ruling party in Pakistan's federal government, which is the PMLN, has withdrawn its support from the current government that's occupying in Pak-occupied Kashmir. So likely there will be a no-confidence motion which will be tabled in the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir Assembly soon by PMLN itself or even PPP to choose the new leader of the House. But this is only leading to further anarchy and a political crisis, Poonam, which is deepening further in POK. Days ago, we had seen how POK had been plagued by several protests. They've, of course, called it a violent and brutal crackdown by the Pakistan establishment and the government under Shahbaz Sharif. They're saying that the demands of the common man are not being met. They are also extremely plagued by the lack of economic help coming in from the government for the people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. They are also stating that they can't protect a prime minister or a government who does not have people's mandate, which is why the PMLN has, in fact, withdrawn its support. Pakistan, now remember, PMLN is playing a very significant role because it is a ruling party, and for it to now withdraw support from the government in occupied Kashmir is going to lead to further chaos and anarchy. We can expect a no confidence motion to be tabled soon.